Hi yogis, thank you for tuning in today. Today we're giving our bodies a very beneficial and powerful kriya here. We're doing a boost for our digestive system, and with this we're also getting a healthy gut and overall very energetic and balanced reset for our body. So let's start. First, we're just gonna warm up the hands. We're doing the rotation with the hands. With the shoulders, and now we're pushing our hands to the front with 90-degree angles and to the sides and keeping it here, and we're pushing out through the palms here. We're opening up our lymphatic system here. And come up, bring hands up and keep pushing through the palms of the hands. And bring hands down. Very good. Now let's do this again. Hands to the front, to the sides. And hands have very strong impact on our digestive system. And when we're opening up the nadis and the lymphatic system, then on the energetic level and on the physical level, all the functions of the body are working normally and are balanced, and this correlates directly to our inner organs and our digestive system. So give it your best efforts here, and if you feel uncomfortable, then that just means that it's working. So let's just keep pushing through this. And deep breaths here. And now we're gonna move on. We're doing the spinal flexes. We're moving to the back, we breathe out, and to the front, we breathe in. And let's do them as quickly or slowly as you feel comfortable today. The main thing is that we're warming up the spine, and energy starts to move from the lower chakras to the higher chakras here. Very good. Now let's come up, standing up. Breathe in, hands come over the head, stretch them out, and we're going into the seated position here. And now we're flexing our body on the one side, hands in prayer mudra. Back to the center. And the other side here. Back to the center. And reach to the ground. And arch your back. And relax. Now we're stepping with one foot to the back. And we're giving us a beautiful hip opening movement here. And we're playing with this back and forth. And breathe in, come to the warrior pose. And push your hands to the sides on the 90 degrees angles. And hold it there. And now we're going to the seated spinal twist again. Only this time we're keeping the legs wide open. And now hands are interlacing to the back and we're doing the overfold with wide legs. Breathe in, hands coming up. And warrior pose now. Very good. Stretch up and down. Now let's put the other foot forward. Find your balance here. Opening up our hips and breathe in. And now hands are coming to the sides, 90-degree angle. Open the chest. Now going to the side. Now to the center again. And hands are lacing in the back and we're doing a forward stretch here. Very good. Now hands are wide. Face your palm up and stretch to the back. Very good. Now both hands to the ground. Bring your legs to the hands and give yourself a stretch here. Breathe in and come back up. And down, hands to prayer mudra. And again, we're going to the seated pose once more. And come back up. Very good. Now let's sit on the ground. We're sitting in the easy pose. And we're putting one hand over the head and we're taking the other hand and putting on the shins and we're twisting our body towards the sky and switch the sides. You can take your ankles or you can take your knee. And now we're going to the spinal twist here in the seated position. And give your back a beautiful flex here to the back. And we're opening ourselves to the sky. Open your throat. Very good. And now we're interlacing our legs and we're going into the spinal twist once more. And make sure your both cheekbones are on the earth. And now switch sides. Very good. Now we're taking our legs and we are creating a V shape out of them, and try to hold your balance here and deep breaths here. And if you wanted to take a step further, you can do a breath of fire here. Breath of fire is our panting breath. And come back to the butterfly pose. Stretch here. And now we're going to sit in the rock pose. We're sitting on top of the ankles and we're doing a breath of fire here. This creates this beautiful fire and prana in our digestive system, in our bodies, and it starts to move the energy and it also detoxifies our bodies greatly. Very good. Now we're moving into the deep squat here. And this is very good for our pelvis area, for the hips, and overall detoxification process. And to give it a step further, we are pushing our hands to the... And now let's do a breath of fire here. And make sure that your back is very straight here. Now we're taking our shins and we're doing a twist here and looking into the sky. Very good. Stretch forward, head comes down and come back up. Very good. I hope you enjoyed this and you can try this beautiful practice every day. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. Bye.